If Mozilla Firefox is not opening on Windows 11, yeah, this can be really frustrating, especially when nothing happens after you click it. Don't worry though, we'll fix it step by step. First, open Task Manager and check if Firefox is already running in the background. I mean, sometimes it's stuck silently and won't open again. Next, restart your PC. Temporary system glitches or stuck processes can stop Firefox from launching properly. Now, try running Mozilla Firefox as administrator. Yeah, this gives it permission to start properly if Windows is blocking it. If it still won't open, try launching Firefox in safe mode. Extensions can sometimes crash the browser before it even starts. Next, your Firefox profile might be corrupted. I mean, reset or create a new profile to fix startup issues. If nothing works, uninstall Mozilla Firefox and reinstall the latest version. Yeah, this fixes broken or missing program files. And that's it. One of these steps should fix Firefox not opening on Windows 11 and get your browser working again.